That's why we're here to support you on this journey. We aim to empower you with knowledge to help you make informed meal decisions. This video will teach you about foods that can spike blood sugar levels and should be avoided, such as sugary snacks and refined carbohydrates. On the flip side, we will highlight nutrient-dense foods that can help stabilize blood sugar, like whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By the end of this video, you will understand how to create a balanced diet that supports your health and well-being. So, let's dive in and explore the best food choices for managing diabetes effectively. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Foods not to eat. For diabetes. When managing diabetes, being mindful of what you eat is essential, especially regarding high sugar and high carb foods. These foods can lead to significant spikes in blood glucose levels, making identifying and avoiding them crucial. Common culprits include sugary snacks like candies, cookies, pastries, and sugary beverages such as sodas and sweetened juices. These items are often loaded with refined sugars that can cause rapid increases in blood sugar. High-carb foods like white bread, pasta, and rice can also contribute to blood sugar spikes. These refined carbohydrates are quickly broken down into glucose, leading to a surge in blood sugar levels. It's important to remember that not all carbohydrates are created equal. Whole grains and fiber-rich options are generally better choices. We encourage you to read food labels carefully to make informed dietary decisions. Look for hidden sugars listed under sucrose, fructose, or corn syrup. Understanding the nutritional content of the foods you consume can empower you to make healthier choices that support your diabetes management. Avoiding high sugar and high carb foods can help maintain stable blood glucose levels and improve overall health. Remember, small changes in your diet can significantly improve your well-being. The 7 best foods for diabetics. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet can significantly improve blood sugar levels when managing diabetes. Here are 7 best foods to consider adding to your daily meals. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are first on the list. They are low in calories and fiber and help regulate blood sugar. Next, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice provide complex carbohydrates that digest slowly, preventing spikes in glucose levels. Legumes, including lentils and chickpeas, are another excellent choice. They are rich in protein and fiber, promoting satiety and steady energy levels. Additionally, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and support heart health. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and chia seeds, are great for snacking. They offer healthy fats and protein, helping to keep you full and satisfied. Avocados are also a fantastic option, as they are low in carbs and high in healthy fats, which can improve insulin sensitivity. Lastly, berries like blueberries and strawberries are lower in sugar than many fruits and are rich in antioxidants, making them a delicious and nutritious choice. We encourage you to experiment with these healthy meal options. Making these foods a regular diet can support your diabetes management and enhance your overall health. Doctor reveals top 7 worst foods to reverse diabetes and prediabetes. When it comes to reversing diabetes and managing prediabetes, understanding which foods to avoid is just as important as knowing what to embrace. Medical professionals emphasize that specific food choices can significantly hinder your efforts. First on the list are sugary beverages, including sodas and sweetened teas, which can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar and contribute to insulin resistance. Processed snacks, such as chips and cookies, are also detrimental. These foods are often high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, making them a poor choice for anyone looking to improve their health. White bread and other refined grains can similarly cause blood sugar spikes due to their lack of fiber and nutrients. Another group to watch out for is high-fat meats, mainly processed varieties like bacon and sausage. These can increase inflammation and worsen insulin sensitivity. Full-fat dairy products can be problematic for some individuals, as they may contain saturated fats that negatively impact heart health and insulin function. Lastly, trans fats found in fried foods and baked goods should be avoided at all costs. These unhealthy fats can exacerbate insulin resistance and lead to weight gain. We encourage you to avoid these harmful foods for better health outcomes.